Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ sauce like McDonald's. First, combine 1 cup of your favorite ketchup with 2 tablespoons of molasses in a saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke for that authentic smoky taste. Stir in a ½ teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder to build a robust flavor foundation. This base is crucial for replicating the classic taste. Next, let's perfect the balance of sweet and savory. Stir in 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of honey to achieve that signature sweetness. For a slight tang and depth, add 1 teaspoon of dry mustard powder. If you enjoy a little kick, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper will provide a subtle warmth without overpowering the other flavors. Mix everything thoroughly over low heat. Now, it's time to let the flavors meld beautifully. Bring your sauce to a gentle simmer over low to medium heat. Allow it to cook for at least 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan. This simmering process deepens the flavors and helps the sauce thicken slightly. Once it cools, it will achieve that perfect, rich consistency you're looking for. Finally, taste your homemade BBQ sauce and make any last-minute adjustments. You might want a bit more salt, pepper, or even a dash more vinegar to suit your palate. Once cooled, transfer the sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It tastes even better the next day. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade McDonald's-style BBQ sauce with your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.